Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend. This shape ran from the 5th month 2011 to the 8th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. There's a right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, right-hand fog lamp and lens, left-hand fog lamp and surround, has a tidy front bumper cover. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have left-hand tail light. Left-hand tail light garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand rear door. Right-hand front door. Right-hand power door mirror. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid. Tidy handbrake lever. Tidy automatic transmission gear stick. Tidy automatic transmission center console. Factory AC control, standard type. Single stack CD player, factory. Tidy interior mirror. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.